Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for smart gadgets that make life easier? In this video, we're counting down 5 must-have Amazon products that are practical, powerful, and perfect for everyday use. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Mojoco Personal Smoothie Blender. Looking for a powerful, portable blender that fits your busy lifestyle? The Mojoco Personal Smoothie Blender is your all-in-one solution. With a 14-ounce capacity and durable stainless steel blades, it blends fruits, veggies, and even ice into silky smooth shakes and smoothies. Anytime, anywhere. Its rechargeable design comes with a USB cable so you can power up at home, at the office, or even outdoors while camping or traveling. Forget the mess. Just blend and sip directly from the leak-proof bottle using the built-in spout. No extra cups, no spills. Made from food-grade materials and equipped with a rust-resistant blade, it's designed for long-lasting performance. One-button operation makes it super simple to use. Just add ingredients, blend, and enjoy. And when it's time to clean, add water, click the button, and it cleans itself in seconds. Compact, powerful, and easy to use, the Mojoco blender is made for life on the go. Number 2. The Rocketbook New Core Reusable Notebook. Say goodbye to piles of paper with the Rocketbook New Core, an innovative, reusable spiral notebook that combines the feel of pen and paper with the power of the cloud. Write naturally on premium pages using the included Pilot Friction Pen, then scan your notes to platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneNote with the Rocketbook app. Each college-ruled page is designed with smart titles and smart tags, making digital organization effortless. Whether you're in class, at work, or brainstorming creative ideas, your notes are always backed up and easy to find. Need to start fresh? Just wipe the pages clean with a damp cloth and reuse them again and again. With a sleek, scratch-resistant cover and durable spiral binding, this notebook is made to last. Available in full letter size at 8.5 by 11 inches, it's portable enough to carry in your backpack or briefcase. Eco-friendly, erasable, and endlessly reusable, the Rocketbook Core is the smart choice for writing in the digital age. Number 3. The Maestri House Lunafro Rechargeable Milk Frother. Transform your morning coffee into a cafe-quality drink with the Lunafro handheld milk frother. With just one button, you can whip up rich, creamy foam in just 15 seconds. Simply place the whisk into your milk, press once to start frothing, and press again to stop. It's that easy. Built for convenience, this milk frother features a powerful 1,200 mAh rechargeable battery with USB-C charging. A single 3-hour charge delivers 2 to 3 months of daily use. No more buying disposable batteries. Its high-speed turbo motor operates at 8,000 RPM, delivering silky foam perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, and more. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for home, office, or travel use. Need to mix protein shakes or powdered supplements? This frother handles those too. Cleanup is quick. Detach the stainless steel whisk and rinse. Plus, it comes with a sleek stainless steel stand for simple, stylish storage. The Maestri House Lunafro makes delicious drinks fast, easy, and mess-free. Your perfect foam companion. Number 4. The Qimedo Electric Spin Scrubber Q2 Pro. Tackle tough grime with ease using the Qimedo Q2 Pro, an electric spin scrubber built for powerful, deep cleaning. Featuring a high-performance motor with 3 speed modes, 800, 1000, and 1500 RPM, it outperforms typical scrubbers and effortlessly blasts away dirt. The ergonomic, effortless handle reduces weight by 30%, making extended use more comfortable. A smart display keeps you in control, showing real-time battery life and speed modes, and even alerts you when it's time to recharge. Equipped with a 50-inch adjustable handle and a 45-degree flexible brush head, it allows you to clean walls, floors, tubs, and tiles without bending or stretching. Its waterproof IPX7 brush heads and 8 in one brush set make it ideal for every room in your home. This cordless scrubber includes 2 high-capacity 21V batteries, each giving up to 2 hours of runtime on a full charge. While one charges, the other powers through your cleaning tasks. From floors to bathrooms, the Qimedo Spin Scrubber is your go-to tool for fast, effective, and effortless cleaning. Number 5. the 64GB mini Nanny cam charger. This smart little device is more than just a charger. It's a hidden security camera with powerful surveillance features packed into a compact design. Built with 64GB of internal memory, it's ready to use right out of the box and supports expansion up to 256GB with a TF card. Capture crisp, clear video in full 1080p resolution, even in complete darkness, thanks to 4 built-in infrared night vision lights. With motion detection, the camera only records when movement is detected, saving storage and power. Disguised as a regular charger, it can power your phone, tablet, or other USB devices while quietly monitoring your space. Perfect for home, office, or nanny monitoring without drawing attention. Designed for indoor use, its small size, just 2 inches wide, makes it easy to place anywhere discreetly. Plus, you get peace of mind with a 1-year replacement guarantee and lifetime technical support. Reliable, portable, and easy to use. The perfect combination of function and security in one powerful device.